Welcome back, dear viewers, to our channel where we explore the rich history of iconic motorbike brands. Today, we have a special treat for all the motorcycle enthusiasts out there as we delve into the fascinating history of Moto Guzzi. Before we dive into this exciting dialogue, I'd like to extend a warm welcome to all our new viewers. If you enjoy this content, please remember to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. We love hearing from you.
Let's embark on a thrilling journey through time as we uncover the extraordinary story of Moto Guzzi, the legendary Italian motorcycle manufacturer that has left an indelible mark on the two-wheeled world.
Moto Guzzi was founded in 1921 in Mandello del Lario, Italy, by Carlo Guzzi, Giovanni Ravelli, and Giorgio Parodi. The company quickly gained recognition for its innovative engineering and the distinct transverse V-twin engine configuration, which became a hallmark of Moto Guzzi motorcycles.
Over the years, Moto Guzzi introduced a wide range of iconic models that captured the hearts of riders around the globe. From the legendary Falcone and the stunning V7 Sport to the powerful Le Mans and the adventurous Stelvio, each Moto Guzzi motorcycle embodied a perfect blend of performance, style, and Italian craftsmanship. Moto Guzzi's commitment to innovation and racing excellence propelled the brand to new heights. The company's motorcycles achieved remarkable success in various motorsport disciplines, including the Isle of Man TT and the Grand Prix racing circuits, solidifying Moto Guzzi's reputation as a force to be reckoned with.
Like any great brand, Moto Guzzi faced its fair share of challenges over the years. However, with unwavering determination, the company weathered storms and experienced a remarkable resurgence in the late 20th century. The introduction of modern classics like the V11 and the California series showcased Moto Guzzi's ability to blend tradition with contemporary design and technology.
The Moto Guzzi community, known for its unwavering loyalty, is a testament to the brand's enduring appeal. Enthusiasts from all walks of life share a deep admiration for these iconic motorcycles, forming a vibrant community that celebrates the spirit of freedom, adventure, and the joy of riding.
So, what does the future hold for Moto Guzzi? As the brand continues to evolve and embrace new technologies, fans eagerly anticipate the arrival of cutting-edge models that push the boundaries of performance and style. With a commitment to innovation and a rich heritage to draw upon, Moto Guzzi is poised to leave an indelible mark on the motorcycle industry for generations to come.
Before we bid farewell, I want to express my sincere gratitude to each and every one of you for joining us today. Your support means the world to us. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment down below sharing your favorite Moto Guzzi motorcycle of all time.
Thank you for being a part of this incredible journey through the history of Moto Guzzi.